If you're wondering how to track user engagement in Outgrow, stick with me until the end, because we're diving into exactly how to monitor key metrics and make your interactive content work for you. Whether you're building quizzes, calculators, or surveys, knowing how users interact with your content can give you a competitive edge, and I'll show you exactly how to get this insight. Before we jump in, did you know you can access Outgrow for free? Check out the link in the description to get started with an exclusive extended free trial, along with some valuable bonuses. Now, let's dive into user engagement tracking. The first thing you need to understand is how to set up tracking within your Outgrow account. Once you're logged into your dashboard, Outgrow offers built-in analytics that helps you track how users are interacting with your content in real time. You can view metrics like the number of users completing your interactive experience, where they drop off, and what answers they choose. To start, go to the Analytics section on your dashboard. This is where you can see engagement data for all your campaigns. You'll notice that Outgrow provides you with detailed charts and graphs that show how people are interacting with your quiz or calculator. For example, you'll see the completion rate, how long users are spending on each page, and even the time they leave your funnel. This data is invaluable for optimizing your content and ensuring users stay engaged longer. Another key feature in tracking user engagement is the conversion tracking tool. This feature lets you measure how many users complete your desired action, whether that's submitting their email, downloading a guide, or requesting a consultation. By adding conversion pixels from tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or other third-party integrations, you can track engagement more precisely and align it with your marketing goals. Additionally, Outgrow allows you to segment users based on their interactions. So, if you're running a quiz, for instance, you can segment users by which answers they selected. This gives you even more granular insights into user behavior and helps you tailor your follow-ups. Are people answering in a way that shows they're genuinely interested in your offer? If so, you can prioritize them in your outreach. And here's a pro tip. If you want to track user engagement in relation to your business goals, use Outgrow's ability to integrate with your CRM or email marketing tools. This allows you to monitor engagement data across platforms, creating a unified system where you can segment, track, and nurture leads without missing a beat. Tracking these key metrics not only helps you understand what's working and what's not, but it also gives you a roadmap for making improvements. You can adjust your quizzes, calculators, and surveys based on where users drop off or what types of interactions lead to conversions. The best part? The insights are actionable, so you can tweak your content or marketing approach in real time to improve user engagement. Make sure to keep an eye on your completion rate. If you notice that users are frequently abandoning the experience before they reach the end, this might indicate that your content is too long or that there are areas where people lose interest. By optimizing these areas, you can dramatically improve engagement. In conclusion, tracking user engagement in Outgrow is easy with its robust analytics, conversion tracking, and CRM integrations. By regularly checking these insights, you can continually refine your interactive experiences and drive more meaningful engagement. And don't forget, if you're interested in getting started with Outgrow, the first link below gives you an exclusive and extended free trial, along with some great bonuses. Now that you have all the tools to track engagement, make sure you use this data to refine your strategy. User engagement is a powerful tool for optimizing your content and ultimately achieving your business goals.